Hey there guys, my name is Beverly Reynolds and I am the owner and designer for H&T Design Media. In this particular episode, I want to talk about instructional design, but I do not just want to talk about instructional design as a whole, because we could both of us, be here for days, weeks, and months just chatting about what those two little words truly mean. So instead, I want to talk about simulations. Now, you may or may not know what a simulation really and truly is. So let's first of all talk about what is a simulation. A simulation is a piece of software, like a movie, in which you simulate or show, the mouse could move for the user, you could let the user interact with the application or the movie, but it shows the user how to use a particular process or software. There are other uses as well. You can teach people all kinds of skills with a simulation. You're basically creating almost like a practice environment, whether they can interact with that file or not. So now that you know at least a quick synopsis of what a simulation truly is, let me tell you about 3 different types of simulations that I've created in the over 20 years of instructional design training and experience that I have to date. The first type is a show me. Show me. S-H-O-W, me. Now in a show me movie, it's really just the name for a style of a movie or simulation in which the mouse literally moves through a process all the way through. Now there could be captions that fly in, there may or may not be audio, but it shows them visually and perhaps in an audio format how to complete a process or how to use a particular software package. The second type of simulation is a let me try. Let me try the functionality for myself. So in that type of simulation, you could actually use the same file and you can actually turn off the fact of where the mouse actually moves for the user and force the user to create an interaction and score that interaction even if you want to. You could give them feedback real time and say, nope, that's not exactly where you click in order to accomplish this task. You let them try the functionality. Let me try. The third type of simulation is an evaluate me. You can actually copy over that exact same movie for a second time and evaluate them on every single click that they put down of their mouse. Every single click. You evaluate them. Now, you can give them real-time scores, you can give them real-time feedback, or you can wait till the very end of the process and then even give them a score. Did they pass? Did they fail? If they fail, do they need to take it again in order to obtain a certification or a milestone of some type? So, in retrospect, you know that there are 3 different types of simulation that we talked about in this video. Show me, let me try, and evaluate me. There are also multiple, in fact a multitude of software packages that you can create a simulation in. You have Lectura, and you have my personal favorite of Adobe Captivate. Now, pretty much any types of software that you use, whether free, whether rather costly software packages, those are probably 2 of the most common and most popular software packages, but there are others as well. Some of these software packages will include the ability to add and edit audio, some of them will include the scoring, and some of them will even allow you to put in custom code to modify the base code that comes with the software package by default. So, you know that there are different types of instructional design simulations, and you know the main software packages that you can use to create these software packages. I would make sure that if you are looking for employment in the area or realm of instructional design, be sure to keep these keywords and phrases on your resume and in your interviews. And whether your interview is over the phone or in person, make sure that you are showcasing those words, those responsibilities, and actually know what those words mean. Put into practice before you go for that job. Then target jobs for those skill sets. So with that, I hope that's really helpful for you. As always, if you would go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up, share it around to all your friends, and as always, make today great, guys.